We would like to learn about insert action in PowerPoint today, how we can create a question by using the insert action button in PowerPoint. Now I have already prepared some content so that our typing time is not wasted in the audio. So here basically the first slide, as we say, creating a question bank. Now here I begin with the first slide. The second slide is what is PowerPoint. I have typed here and I have put some circles through the shapes, insert shapes. Now what we can do is we want to set an action over here that when I click on what is PowerPoint, if I'm typing a wrong answer, it should show me a wrong answer. If I'm typing a right answer, then it should show me the right answer. So what I do is I select this circle here which is inserted through shapes, and I say insert action. When I click on insert action, I have this action on click, none, hyperlink to. Where do I want to link when I click here? Now this is my wrong answer, so hyperlink to next slide. Which is my slide? I click on the slide and check whether which is my wrong answer slide. So my third slide is a wrong answer slide. So what I do is I say OK over here and OK. So this will be my wrong answer. Similarly, this is also the wrong answer. So I click on insert action. I say hyperlink to slide and again the same. Third, OK. OK. And then I click here, insert action, hyperlink back again, slide. Now this is my right answer, so I have to search where I have typed the right slide. So I click here on this fourth and say OK and OK. Now you see when I play the show, F5 to play the show. So when I am playing my show, as I click on the next slide, supposing I click here, what happens is I get the wrong answer. Now here also I have set an action button to go to the previous slide. So when I click here, I come back here. Now this is also a wrong answer. When I click here, it's going to the wrong answer. So back again. When I click here, it goes to the right answer. Okay. So then I have put an action button over here where we can go to the next slide. Okay. Similarly, even over here we can set the action button. I press escape key, come back to the presentation. I come back over here. I select this and do the same activity back again. Insert action, hyperlink to slide number. Now it would be the 6th slide. So I check where is the wrong answer. I get a preview over here. So you check whether the slide is right and then say OK and OK. Similarly, the same action goes for insert action, hyperlink to slide number 6 and OK and OK over here. But this is my right answer. So I again say action and slide. Sorry, this is not a URL. Action button, slide and slide number 7, because PPT is the right answer. So I click here and I say OK and OK. Now I have not set an action over here to go to the next slide. So what I do is, supposing somebody clicks here, then it should be answering the right answer because I didn't set an action over here. So I click back again over here, hyperlink, slide, and I set it for 5th slide, OK, and then say OK. So all 3 are set for my action, what action has to be done. Now what I have to do is I have to, once my answer is right, then I have to set the action button to go to the next slide. So when I press F5, now how I have set that action button, I went to insert shapes and you have the lastly over here, the last options, action buttons. So you have, like for sound, you want to set a sound, you can set a sound. Various action buttons are there which will show you a particular activity wherever you want to go for. Now I had set here as the previous and next button. So you want to set it here, you can just draw it over here, and then automatically by default hyperlink to previous slide. It comes as a previous slide, and then say OK. So when you play the show, okay, you see, I click the right answer, go to the next slide. Right now I click the wrong answer, go back to previous. I click on the right answer, then I say next. Similarly here I have not set any actions, so nothing will happen. It will just go to the next slide. So here I have to set an action where I want to go. Okay. So I press escape key again, back again, and set the action over here. What actions to be done. Now all these, sometimes you can confuse the students. Now here I have given all the right answers. It does, the rehearse timing does the recording of the timings, record according to the slides, total timing of presentation, all these are the right answers. So sometimes you can confuse the student by giving all the right answers or all the wrong answers, or maybe you can have an option none of the above. Such kind of question bank can be created by you. Now over here what we have done is basically here I have put all the right answers. So what you can do is you can set an action, insert, action, hyperlink, then I click on slide and I check the slide number which is the right answer. So now my 10th slide, it should skip on the 10th slide. So I just say OK here and OK. Similarly for this I set the same action, hyperlink, slide number 10, OK. Here action, slide number 10, from slides, slide number 10 and OK. OK. So here we have learned some basics, initial option for action button. It's a very simple presentation which can be understood by the school students. Now when you're going at a college level, at a professional level, then you have a little bit a better presentation. Now this I have made it for the school level where the school kids can understand in a better